you could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach every...
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. My name is Sky and my husband Chad and I own an online interior decor shop called House and Home. And over on this channel, we love to share all things home, from DIYs to decor hauls, decorating ideas, and so much more. Today's video is a DIY mini makeover in the House and Home office. We have been doing all things office renovations for the last couple of weeks, maybe even a month at this point. Recently, I just shared our home office and that was such a beautiful transformation. I'm so happy with how that space turned out. But now it's time to give our House and Home office a little facelift. Now, I call this a mini makeover because there are a lot of things that I would love to do in this space that we are simply just not doing because we don't know how long we're going to be here. We're obviously renting out this office space and we've got a 2-year lease, but we're potentially going to be outgrowing this space before that 2-year mark. So we didn't want to put a lot of our time and our energy and our resources and money into making this like our dream office space. So we have some really affordable DIYs and decorating ideas in this video to share with all of you. I really hope that you enjoy this and find it inspiring and that it gives you some ideas. We ended up using a wallpaper from Target and it's shiplap. It's actually right behind me right now and it looks so great in this space. It definitely was significantly more affordable than actually putting up some real shiplap, and it definitely saved us some time as well, which was great. So I can't wait to share this space with all of you. I've got some really cool pieces in here, including a new rug and lamp from Boutique Rugs that I can't wait to tell you all about. So without further ado, let's just hop right in. I'm going to share some before footage of what this space looked like before we started any projects, and then I'm going to take you through the process of putting the space together, our little DIY, and then also decorating. I hope you guys enjoy. Here is a little before footage of this space. I actually filmed this a couple of weeks ago when I was shooting a video in the office, so it is quite a mess, but it's just the most updated shot I have of this space. So I wanted to give you a brief look at what it looks like before we get started with our projects. So the first thing that we decided to do was to create an accent wall on this back wall here using some peel and stick removable wallpaper from Target. I ended up purchasing this online after searching and searching for something to go in this space, and I wanted to be able to use this accent wall as a backdrop for different photos that we're taking and little shoots that we're styling. So I felt like I was playing it safe by going with something neutral like shiplap. I ultimately decided to go with this specific peel and stick wallpaper because it was such an affordable option and I was able to create a cute accent wall without breaking the bank. I wanted to share the process of using this peel and stick wallpaper with all of you, but I don't know what happened with my camera. When I was shooting, it must have not loved the artificial lighting and the stripes going on the wall. It's doing something goofy with the screen, so I do apologize, but I still wanted to share this process. Overall, the process is pretty simple. You're just going to make sure that you have a clean surface on your wall. They do recommend having a gloss paint on the wall to start. We actually had a flat paint and we weren't gonna take the extra time or money to paint the wall. We didn't have any issues with the adhesive whatsoever, so I really think that you are totally fine either way. But then you're going to cut it to size if necessary, remove the backing, and slowly place it on your wall. You do want to have a scraper of sorts. You can actually purchase these from your local hardware store or Amazon, I'm sure. We're just using a credit card from the wallet. That definitely gets the job done, but ideally you're just trying to remove any excess air or bubbles underneath your wallpaper. You definitely don't want to have any ripples or seams or anything like that. This is Sarah. She's one of the newest members to our House and Home team. She is like our packaging and inventory lead, and she was packaging this day that we were doing our little DIY, so I wanted to get just a little footage of her. We are so thankful for her and the rest of our team who do such an amazing job getting your orders out to you. Now it's time for paint, and we're testing out a new paint color that I have personally never used before. This is Snowbound by Sherwin-Williams, and one of my good friends used this color in her new home and I instantly fell in love. It is such a beautiful true white, and I've been waiting for an excuse to get to use it and test it out, so I felt like this was the perfect opportunity. Okay friends, I have to know, are you a roller or an edger when it comes to painting? I have to do the rolling. If I am edging, it just feels like the painting is going on forever and ever and ever. So thankfully Chad prefers that part, and that is something that he tackles. Now that the painting is done, we're hanging one of our found wooden shelves. This is a piece that we've carried in our shop and it's one of my favorites. We actually have it in our home as well, and I wanted to create a cute little coffee station here just to have a spot where we could come and grab a cup of coffee when we are trying to knock out some work. So these are actually our House and Home mugs that we do sell in our shop, as well as this beautiful nesting basket set. These are seagrass baskets, and they're so versatile and super functional. They're so cute. I'm actually going to use two of these here that are the smaller sizes, and I'm going to put a cute little plant from Target in there and my Keurig K-Cups as well. I decided that this area was missing just a little something, and you guys know I love to add tea towels to my walls just to add a little bit of texture, and I obviously love this new tea towel that is in our shop right now. It is so beautiful. It's kind of a waffle material, and it's got some really pretty fringe detail at the bottom, and it is the perfect match to my new lamp from Boutique Rugs. Y'all, this lamp is absolutely stunning. I love the bubble glass detail in the base and the beautiful linen color shade. It is absolutely perfect for this spot, and it adds a nice soft color against our white walls. You can get this lamp for 60% off when you use my code HOUSEHOME60 at checkout, and I'm gonna have that link down below, so make sure you guys check it out and take advantage of that discount. It is such a beautiful neutral lamp that would fit well in anyone's home. Now for the moment that I have been waiting for and I've been so excited about. I finally get to unravel my beautiful new rug from Boutique Rugs. I absolutely love Boutique Rugs. They have a huge selection of beautiful rugs of all different decor styles, and they also have some beautiful decor pieces that they sell on their website as well. They are all so budget friendly, and they also are great quality. We have a beautiful boutique rug in our playroom at home, so I already knew that I absolutely loved them and that they were going to be the perfect fit for our office space. This rug is absolutely stunning, and you can get it for 60% off by using the code HOUSEHOME60 at checkout. I will have this specific rug linked down below. We got the 8x10 size, and I absolutely love it. It fits our space perfectly. The pattern on here is so incredibly beautiful, and as we were unraveling it, Chad just kept saying, "This rug is so pretty. I love it so much." We could not stop staring at it. It truly is that beautiful. This table runner is from Target, and I love the oversized feel that it gives off. It's a perfect size for this huge office table. This table is from IKEA, and we get a lot of questions about it, so I'll have it linked down below. And our chairs are from World Market. You guys, I just love how this table runner matches our boutique rug so well. Everything is just so cozy, and it makes the space feel so warm and inviting. Okay friends, that is all for today's little mini house and home office makeover. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that it maybe gave you some decorating inspiration and ideas. Don't forget to go and check out Boutique Rugs. I've got everything linked down in my description below. Make sure you use my code so that you can get your discount as well. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video. All right friends, I will see you all in the next one. Have a great day.